Have you ever thought about how we're still doing things manually in the decentralized world? The very place built to automate everything? It's a bit of a paradox, right? Most of the amazing decentralized finance or DeFi protocols we use today, like Uniswap or Aave, still rely on people or centralized off-chain bots to execute tasks. This creates risk, friction, and centralizes the very thing we're trying to decentralize. But what if we could change that? What if we could make on-chain finance truly self-operating? That's where Newton Protocol comes in. It's a pioneering infrastructure layer that's all about verifiable on-chain automation. Think of it as the missing piece of the puzzle, bringing secure, programmable automation to the blockchain. So how does it work? It's all built on two core concepts, the on-chain service registry and automation. On-chain service registry. Imagine a public library for all kinds of computational services, but instead of books, it's filled with services like AI agents or data analysis tools. And this library isn't controlled by any single company, it's a decentralized, tamper-proof catalog on the blockchain. This is Newton Protocol's on-chain service registry. Developers can publish their services here, complete with details like what they do, how to use them, and pricing. Users can then browse this registry to discover and utilize these services. The real magic is that everything is transparent and verifiable. Because it's on the blockchain, you can trust that the service is exactly what it claims to be. There's no vendor lock-in, and it opens up a world of composability, allowing developers to combine different services to create complex workflows. Automation. Now, how do these services actually do things automatically? That's the automation part. Newton Protocol uses what it calls verifiable agents. These are essentially smart contracts that follow a trigger action logic. For example, if the price of ETH drops by 10%, then execute a trade. The user delegates a specific task to an agent but retains full control through programmable permissions called ZK permissions. These permissions are powered by zero-knowledge proofs, which means the agent can perform the task without you ever having to expose your private keys or sensitive information. It's truly trustless. The agent executes the task in a secure environment and then generates a cryptographic proof that its actions were correct and followed your instructions. This proof is then verified on-chain, ensuring every action is secure and transparent. It's automation you can actually verify and trust. This kind of verifiable on-chain automation is a game-changer for DeFi, enabling things like automated portfolio rebalancing, high-frequency trading, and even AI-governed strategies, all without relying on a central point of failure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.